Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Ray, and this is the Magsafe clear case, and this is the Magsafe wireless charger. In this video, we're gonna talk about the good and the bad, the pros and cons, so let's go. Starting the video off, I want to start by talking about the case before moving on to the wireless charger. And if you take a look at this case, it's sort of unique when you compare it to some of the other cases Apple has created before. Okay, so it's a little unique because obviously it has the round magnets in the back that allows it to work with other MagSafe accessories while the case is on your phone, for example the wallet and the wireless charger as well. Other than that, it's a really nice case. It looks good on the phone, it's hard plastic, and it comes out $49, which is the only bad thing that I can find about this case. And let me explain. If you ask me, $49 is a little bit of a price. Now, if you don't want to pay the $49 for the case, there's a lot of third-party companies out there that are making cases that are actually working with the wireless charger. But if you want the Apple one and you don't mind paying the $49, feel free. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. It's a nice case. It's really up to you. It all depends on what you want to get. Now that we talked about the case, let's actually move on to the wireless charger. Now for the unboxing experience, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna unbox it and let's just see what's inside. Let's see how it looks. So got the box, and the first thing that you got in there, obviously, with all your Apple products, you get your manual. Wow, no Apple sticker here, kind of sad. Then you take it out of the box. This is what you get. This is how it looks, guys. Let me see the lights too bright. So you get the charger that comes in here, and then on the other side there's that Type-C cable. By the way, if you're getting value for this video, a sub to this channel will be incredible. Let's keep going. Okay, once you take it out of the box, this is what you get. So you get that MagSafe. It looks like a little puck, to be honest. The pad in the middle feels premium, feels super soft and really good. It feels like it's made out of aluminum, and then you get your Type-C at the end. And to be honest, it's kind of short. I wish it was longer. Now, prior to getting this one, I already tested this before at one of my friend's house, and let's talk about the good and the bad. I mean, at the end of the day, that's what we're here for. Okay, to start off, let's talk about the bad things first. And the first thing in my list is the cable length. So the cable's pretty short. I feel like if the cable would have been longer, then the experience would have been so much better, especially when the goal is to be able to use your phone while it's charging on a comfortable way. Another thing about the cable is that it's made up out of the same material that your lightning cable is. So you know how that cable is with time, and when people step on it, how it tears down and it looks pretty ugly. With this, you moving it up and down, back and forth, I feel like it might get to that state quicker. And the cable is not replaceable, so if you mess the cable up, you gotta buy the whole thing brand new completely. Numero dos, it works for all the iPhones, all the way from the iPhone 8, so from the iPhone 8 and up, you can use it, but it won't give you the full performance. On the iPhone 12 lineup, it charges at 15 watts, and it attaches to the back of your phone, which is the whole idea here. From the iPhone 8 to the iPhone 11, it only charges at 7.5 watts, and it doesn't attach to the back of your phone. So if you're on that range on the iPhone 8 to an iPhone 11, I wouldn't recommend you to get this just because it doesn't make sense to spend money on something that is not going to give you the full results. Numero tres, and final one, sometimes it doesn't feel like a wireless charger. With the other wireless charger, you literally put your phone in, and when it's done or when it's time to go, you pick it up and you go. With MagSafe, it's not like that. It's always attached to your phone, so it's always a two-handed motion. You come in, pick your phone up, and with your other hand you take it off. There's a way around it though. I know some people have been putting stuff in the back of the charger, and that way they can stick it to whatever surface they want. You can do that, it's all up to you, but yeah, sometimes it doesn't feel like it's wireless charging. Okay, starting with the good things, the fact that everything's magnetized is a big advantage. In other wireless chargers, you gotta make sure, but you gotta really make sure you put your phone right in the middle on that sweet spot to get the best performance. With MagSafe, what you gotta do is put this in the back of your phone and it'll always sweet spot, giving you one of the best wireless charging experience out there. And the other good thing about it is that since it's magnetized, it does feel a lot more comfortable to use while it's charging than you having a normal lightning cable, since you can move this around and put it in between your, oh my god. Since you can move this around and put it in between your fingers or put it in whatever position you want, it is a lot more comfortable. And that's about it. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. If you watch all the way to the end, me and my boy, we got you right here. If I forgot to say anything, leave it in the comments. I hope you have a great rest of your day, afternoon, night, whatever it is that you got going on, and see you later in another video. Peace out.